So something that I observed recently and had to make a decision about was at the checkout line. I should choose a particular line. There was a couple people in front of me with a few things, and then this line had another few things, and I just never know which line to stand in. Recently, I was also in a place arranged differently. There was one long line, and then the people, as the clerks became available, they just filled those rows rather than standing in 4 separate lines. Do you understand what I'm saying? And I wondered if there was a way of thinking about lines and maybe what the most effective line strategy was.
As youth work through the science process, they are encouraged to communicate their ideas. Using a model as a representation for what happens in real life is an excellent way to help youth test and communicate their ideas. Watch as Lynn encourages youth to test line efficiency using cards as a model for people and the number of items in checkout lines.
You know, you choose which line you're going to get into.
But we were planning on doing like the biggest ones in one line, the smallest ones in another, and then all of them in between, like the middle ones.
So I'm going to ask you about putting these are the long, big orders, and then all the little orders. Do you think that would happen in the store? No. So do you think that represents what might really happen? Or could there be a different way to arrange these cards so that it would be more like what happens as people come up to the checkout line?
Yeah, I guess we could like spread these guys out. And then like one in the middle.
Okay.
But I do think that this would be kind of the same because usually there's an express lane.
There is. In this one, we're not going to do the express lane idea just because it adds another level of complexity. What else happens when people get ready to join lines?
They look for the shortest one.
I know that we look for the express lane with the least people in it. Or
So,
the least
have you ever gotten into a line and then decided this one's faster?
Yes.
Yeah.
And gotten out of line?
Yes.
This only has 2 people in it, but it's going to take 24 minutes. This one has 4, but it's still going to take just 13.
But you might be silly going this line, but then you realize it's too late because this person went to this line.
So your point is we can't always account for all the things that happen in real life in our model. Models could be in your mind because you're still able, it's not the real thing, you're able to manipulate it and get data.